Good morning, 5K. So today for math, I have number cards in front of me and I need your help putting them in order. So let me turn the computer so you can see. All right, I got my number cards here. Let me scooch it closer for you. They are not in order and I need your help putting them in order. So when you look at these numbers, which one goes first? 2, 5, 3, 4, or 1. You can say the number that I should put first. Yeah, number 1. So I'm going to put number 1 right here. What number should go next? 2, 5, 3, or 4. When you count, what comes after 1? 1. Yes, 2. So number 2 is going to go next. What number comes after 2? 1, 2. Which one of these is number 3? You're right, it is number 3. Which one is number 3? Yeah, this one. Who would go next? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 4. 4 is going to go next. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. Now, my sweets, if you were here, I would give you cubes like this to use. And when we're at school, it doesn't matter what color cubes that you get, because we all will get different colors every time. So my sweets, we need to make towers. Remember what I told you about making towers when we use cubes? The chimney on the house always has to point up. So this chimney always goes up. So for card number 1, I just need a tower of 1. So here is 1 cube. I'm done. 1 cube matches the number 1. How many cubes am I going to need next in this tower? You got it. I'm going to need 2. So I am going to make sure that my chimneys are pointing up. So 1, 2. My chimneys are pointing up. I put them together. When we count cubes, we always start at the bottom when we count our towers. You're going to see that later on our math paper too. We always start at the bottom. So I touch and just count each hole. Count with me. Talk to the computer. Ready? Go. 1, 2. So I put my tower of 2 by the number 2. What number is this? 3. So I'm going to make a tower of 3. So I'm going to count out 3 cubes. 1, 2, 3. Now I have to put them together with the chimneys going up. All right. When I count, I start at the bottom. I always count to double check. Smart mathematicians always double check because maybe I put an extra one on that I need to take off. I want to make sure I have 3. Count with me. Ready? Talk to the computer. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. Let's do that one more time. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put it here. No. Here. Yes. Number 3. I tried to trick you. Sometimes I try to do that. I try to trick you. I didn't though, did I? You're too smart. All right. I have 1, 2, a tower of 3. Now I need to do a tower of 4. Okay, here we go. I'm going to take out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to put it together with my chimneys pointing up. All right, let's make sure I have 4. Smart mathematicians always double check. Count with me. Ready? We start at the bottom. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. My next one is going to be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to put them together. Chimneys going up. And then I'm going to count them and I'm going to start at the, you got it, the bottom. Count with me. Ready? Talk to the computer. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to put that one here. We did it. Now, my dears, I want you to look at something. I am going to take these towers and put them all together. What do you notice about them? Look. What do they look like? They look just like, they look just like stairs because each number is just one more. So it's just one step up to each number. 1, and one more makes 2, one more makes 3, one more makes 4, one more makes 5. You got it. I'm going to put them back by their number cards. All right, here's what I want you to do. We're going to play a little game, and then we're going to do our worksheet. So, my sweets, I want you on the computer, I want you to point to the number 4. Where's the number 4? This one? No. Trying to trick you. This one? No. This one? Yes. So I'm going to break number 4. When we break our cubes at school, you're going to twist and pull, because then they come right off. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to take the number 4 card. Awesome. Now, I want you to point to the number 1 on the computer. Where's the number 1? You got it. I'm going to take this cube, put it away, and take the number card. I'm going to mix them up so when we use them again, we have to put them in order. That helps our brains grow. All right, where do you see the number 3? Is this number 3? No. This number 3? No. This number 3? You got it. So I'm going to break it. I'm going to twist and pull, and they come right off. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to take the number 3 card. All right, point to the number 5 on your computer screen. Where's the number 5? Yep, you got it. I'm going to twist and pull. 1, 2, 3. You can count with me. 4, 5. And what's the last number that I have here? The number 2. You got it. Twist and pull. 1, 2. All right, I'm going to put my cards in my cubes. And my sweets, we're going to go over to the table and we're going to do our work. So what I need you to do is I need you to take out colors. You're going to need your crayons and a pencil and an eraser. All right, crayons, pencil, eraser. Get those things in your packet, okay? All right, I hope you have your pencils, crayons, and eraser ready. In your packet, we did this page yesterday with the shape sorting, except you filled yours all in. I didn't finish mine, but I can't wait to see yours. What you're gonna do is you're gonna turn to the next page. Here's our this is what our math papers are gonna look like every day. So today was lesson 2, so you see right up here in the corner, you see a 2A. I want you to find this page where you see the towers, just like what we built. And then there's a big rectangle on the bottom, 2A in your packet. Now, what I love about our math is that I have a big piece of paper, just like your little one, so that when we are at school, everybody in the whole room can see what I'm doing because I have a huge one and everybody has a little one to do. So my sweets, the first thing we always do is write our names. All right, write your name at the top. Make sure you're doing a neat and careful job and all of your letters sit on that line. All right. My sweets, I told you to take out your crayons. I want you to pick one color, any color. We're not going to switch colors, so please just take one because switching colors is going to make this take too long. So just pick one. I'm going to pick green. I'll pick green. You can pick whatever color you would like. And what we're going to do is just like we were using our cubes on the rug, we are going to pretend these are our cubes and we need to color the number that it says. So what number do you see right here? You see the number? Yeah, so we need to color one cube, but wait, don't do anything yet. I'm going to tell you a little secret. every year I have children who color more cubes than they're supposed to because they just start coloring and they forget that they only need to color 1 or 2. They color all the way to the top. And then I have to mark it wrong. So here's what I do. So I always make sure I color the right number of cubes, and this helps you make sure that you color the right number of cubes. So here's what I do. So I need to scooch my chair back so you can see. I make a little mark in each box so that I know how many I'm supposed to color. So if I'm supposed to color 1, we start at the bottom, just like when we count our cubes, and I just go like this. 1. I put a little line in it. Now, I have 1 cube. It matches the number. Am I going to color these ones? No, I didn't put a little line in there. So now I know I only color that one. So my dears, color that 1 cube with whatever color you took out. This way my brain doesn't have to think about coloring and counting at the same time, which I know is tricky. All right, I'm done. 1 cube matches the number 1. How many are we going to do next? 2. So I want you to take your crayon and watch what I do. You're going to go 1, 2. Do you see how I put a little line? 1, 2. Now I know I'm not coloring these ones. Nope, 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 because then I get it wrong. So I'm only going to color those 2. So my dears, on your paper, take your crayon and put a line in box number 1 and in box number 2. Now we're going to color. Go. Make sure you're staying in the lines. If I color up into this box, I'm going to get it wrong. Don't color up into this one. All right. Mine are a little bit bigger, so it takes me a little bit longer than you. If you're done, I want you to tell me what this next number is. How many are we coloring in this? Coloring here. 3. Now you're going to do it with me. Take your crayon. We're going to count and only put a line in 3 boxes. Ready? Do it with me. Ready? Start at the bottom. Set. Go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to color just those 3, not these top 2. We didn't put lines there, okay? So we're going to color these 3. Go. All right. Make sure you're staying in the lines. Take your time. If I'm going too fast, you can just pause me, okay? And then push play again when you're ready, when you're done coloring. That's the nice thing about video, is that if I'm going too fast, you can just pause me. All right, I'm making sure I fill in all the white space so it looks nice. Oh, look, if your mommy read you the little sheet about me, you know something that I like. This is my coffee, and I love it. I have it sitting right here. I'm gonna have a little drink in a little bit. All right, what number is this? 4. Take your crayons. We're gonna mark 4. Ready? Starting at the bottom. Set. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Did I put one in the top box? Nope, I hope you didn't either. Now we're going to color 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes to match the number 4. Ready? Go. Make sure you fill in all the white spaces. This is not coloring. Oh, I dropped my crayon. This is not coloring them in. Look at all that white space I left. That's scribbling. That's yucky. So make sure you fill in all the white space. I know your hands might be getting tired, so you can just pause me, take a little break, shake your hand out. We always want to do our very best, right? And your work has looked so good so far. I'm so proud of you. Your work has been neat and careful, so thank you for that. I'm going to give you a little bit more time to finish. Number 4, I'm going to drink my coffee. I told you I like coffee. I do this in school too. All right, my sweets. Now, I want you to look at this next number. What number is that? Yeah, that's the number 5. Are you ready? We're going to take our crayons. We're going to mark 5 little lines, 1 in each box, counting to 5. Count with me. Ready? Set. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This time we're coloring all of them. Okay, fill them all in. Ready? Go. This looks just like the towers that I just made, doesn't it, with our cubes? All right, you guys are doing great. All right, I just have one left. All right. If you need to pause me, you can. If you were here at school, I would ask you to tell me one of the numbers that we need, because down here number 2 says, the directions say, we always read the directions so we know what to do. It says circle one of your tower numbers. We're going to circle one of these numbers. Draw the same number of animals. So if you were here, I'd have you raise your hand and I'd call on you and ask you, what number should we circle? But you're not here. So let's do 3. Let's circle number 3. So with your crayon, whatever crayon you chose, I would just want you to circle number 3. Now you're going to switch out your crayon for your pencil. Remember, I use a marker because if I used a pencil, you would not be able to see it. You'd be like this on the computer screen. Mom, I can't see what she's writing. So I use a marker, okay? I also use one of these at school, so if you sit in the back, you can see. Circle one of your tower numbers. Say check. Good, we did that. Now it says draw the same number of animals. So how many animals do we need to draw? 3. I'm going to show you how to draw a really easy animal. We're going to draw 3 kittens, 3 cats, because that's easy. Do you know how to make a circle? Yeah. Do you know how to make straight lines? Yeah. Then you can make a cat. So you just do what I do. So if we need 3 of them, I'm going to draw 3 circles for their heads. Just watch me. So just park your pencil, put your hands on your head. Good. I just want you to watch me. Wait till I tell you to go. Okay, keep your hands on your head. I need 3. So I'm going to draw 3 heads. 1, 2, 3. Your hands are on your head. You're going to draw 3 circles and you can whisper count. 1, 2, 3. You're going to whisper count. Ready? Draw 3. Go. Draw 3 circles. Not too tiny, not too big. Good. Okay, my sweets. Now these don't look like cats, do they? They need eyes. So what I want you to do is put 2 eyes in each circle. All right. Now, our cats also need some ears, but they're pointy. So here's what we're going to do. You're going to start at the top of the head. How can I do this so you can see? Let me go over here. What you're going to do is you're going to start at the top and you're going to go up, down, up, down. Give your cat 2 pointy ears. And you're going to do it for the next one. Up, down, up, down. Then you're going to do it for the next one. Up, down, up, down. Awesome. Now we just need to make their cute little nose. Now, what I want you to do is you're going to draw a straight line, straight line, straight line. And then you're going to make a letter V, down, up. Watch, I'm going to start here and I'm going to go down, up, down, up, down, up. All right. Then I'm going to give them smiles because they're happy kitties. Told you this was easy. Now I'm just going to give them whiskers. 3 on each side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And my cats are done. We're not going to draw their bodies, okay? This is an art class. So if we were at school, I would just say we're just going to make their heads because this is math. We want to get done and get on to the next thing so that we can play with toys or play in the gym or play outside on the new playground. We have a new playground. So, my sweets, we're not going to draw their bodies and do all that. It's not art. All right, my loves, you are all done. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a picture and you're going to upload it, have your mommy help you, and you are going to put it in the blue folder because our math folder is blue. So when you take a picture, you're going to put this in the blue folder. Bye, I had fun doing math with you. See you soon for reading.